Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the OnePlus Pad Go, a sleek tablet with a mouthful of specs, 532 by 25.51 by 0.68 centimeters dimensions, a 2.4K 7:5 ratio, ReadFit eye care, LCD display, Dolby Atmos quad speakers, Wi-Fi only connectivity, 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM expandable up to 1 TB, all powered by Oxygen OS 13.2 and an 8000 mAh battery. Phew, let's see if it's a budget champ for streaming, gaming, and more. First up, the packaging. It's minimal and premium. Shipped by ClickTech Retail on Amazon, it arrived in perfect shape. That twin mint color pops. The 1135-inch display is the star. 2408 by 1720 resolution with a 90Hz refresh rate. I fired up a movie and the clarity is stunning. The 7:5 ratio feels book-like, perfect for reading or browsing. Plus it's TÜV Rheinland certified for low blue light, easy on the eyes. The quad speakers with Dolby Atmos. Unreal. I cranked some music and the sound filled the room. Beats my old iPad hands down. Performance-wise, it's got a MediaTek Helio G99 chip. I tested casual games like Asphalt and it ran smooth, no lag. 8GB RAM keeps apps snappy, and 128GB storage expandable to 1 TB means I can hoard offline videos. A traveler's dream. Oxygen OS 13.2 is clean, no bloatware. And the 8000 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC charging lasted me days on standby, over 14 hours of video playback. Insane. It's Wi-Fi only, but pairs with cellular data sharing, perfect for hotspots. At under 20k rupees, it's not a flagship, but for media lovers it's a steal. Lightweight at 532 Gs too. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a deep performance test. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Maybe a battery drain test. Thanks for watching. Let's keep geeking out together.